Hi guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. We have Celine lipsticks, guys. Yeah, got two shades. This is how they present their product, guys. It comes with a cute black and white dust bag. Like Dior and Chanel, they also have a cute dust bag, guys. Yes, ayaw pakabog ni Celine. Let's make this video quick and quick. This is how the box looks like, you guys. White and gold motif lang sila. Very elegant. Le Rouge Celine Paris. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It comes with a velvet pouch. Ayan o, it has also a Celine logo there. I hope the camera catch it. So there. And this is how the lipstick looks like, you guys. Dito may nakalagay din dyan na Le Rouge Celine. And this is so luxurious, you guys. Kinabog si Tom Ford. OMG, yeah. This is, I think, my most luxurious lipstick case in my collection. Yeah, ayaw pakabog ni Celine. OMG, ginalingan. So, yan. There's their logo. And this is how the lipstick looks like. 01 Triumph. Very social, guys. Alam nyo na bakit ako nag-red. Because I will wear red lipstick. So, yeah, guys. If you're interested seeing this in action on my lips and natural light swatches, just continue watching and wag maglipat ng channel. Charot. And this is the other shade, you guys. Again, that is the box looks like. Very elegant lang siya. Very social. Again, with a pouch, velvet pouch. So anyway, yeah, let's make this video quick. So dito meron nakalagay na Le Rouge Celine. There. And this is the other shade I've got. This is shade 11, Rose Celeste. Yeah. Shade 11. Nagdadalawang isip ako kung shade 11 or 12 yung kukunin ko. But yeah, I end up getting this shade 11. So yeah, nude shade. Yeah, this is described soft nude rose with orange base. The red one is described as pure red. So we will be swatching muna nitong light shade before we go to the red one. So yeah, if you're interested, just continue watching. Huwag maglipat ng channel. And thank you so much for tuning in right now. Thank you for being here. Before we jump right into lip swatch, let's take a look at these lipsticks in natural light. So, okay guys, my thoughts on this brand new Celine lipstick line is, this is winner. Yes, guys. Light and creamy indeed, guys. So light and so comfortable to the lips. And the shade na napili ko, I'm happy with the shades I choose, guys. 11 and the 01. Yeah. This is something na love at first use. Yes, guys, OMG, another happy purchase. Yeah, pricey lipstick. This is like mga 9,000 plus yen. But yeah, pricey but happy purchase. Again, OMG. Yeah, walang sisi sa lipstick na to and very, alam mo yung old-fashioned luxury? Ganon ang vibes ng Celine. Yung old-fashioned luxury na walang masyadong mga promising na mga sinasabi, but talagang luxurious and OMG, ginalingan ng Celine. Very good job, Celine. Another happy purchase, you guys. Yeah, pricey but happy purchase. Really, no regret at all. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye! Kung gusto mong gumanda, mag-lipstick ka. Yeah! Bye!